Hello everybody, I am Sleepy Cat and today we are ranking chainsawman opening and endings. Let's begin. For the beginning, let's start with the opening. I did not like this opening. This is not my uh, kind of opening. I did not like this opening, but it's not bad. So let's put it in like good. So, ending one, I liked more than opening itself. I really liked this one. It's definitely top tier. Ending two, it was okay. Ending three is top tier. I am not really big fan of metal, but this was really good opening. So let's put it in top tier. It's two. Opening four, I did not like this opening or ending. I mean, ending five was okay. I did not like it, but yeah, okay. Ending six, it's let's put it in good. Ending seven was very good, not top tier, but very good. Ending eight was top tier too. Also ending 9, ending 10. Ending 10 was not top tier but was very good. So very good. Ending 11, I was not big fan of ending 11. Let's put it in good. And ending 12, very good.